Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. This video I'm making only for my last week, which ended on the 26th yesterday. Only the trades, nothing else, because lately I've been making a lot of trade videos, right? So in this one I want to make it small and to the point, just show the trade. So let's get started. This is on the 22nd. The first trade of the week was pound yen. Nice short setup. I was expecting short. I made a video yesterday and explained that why I was shorting pound yen, and for that matter pound USD, pound Aussie, all pound pair, because of the pound index. So 22nd short pound yen, and then after that pound USD short. Nice setup. The trade, I accidentally closed it exactly right there, and then I saved the chart, and so what the heck, that happens, sometimes. Pound Aussie, beautiful trade on the 24th, exactly at the level. See, the thing is that this was my trade here, right? Then what happened is that one day, for example, 23rd, I don't have any trade. So the reason is that you have one day you have a trade, then the second day usually it retraces, right? So when I see that it's retracement happening, I just relax and do some other things other than putting my hands into the retracement mode. So once the retracement was done on the 24th, another opportunity for good short, and all the way down. 220 pip, by the way. Pound yen again on the 24th. That was my trade, the first one that you saw, right? Then it retraced, and I should have taken this one. This is on the 23rd, but I didn't, and luckily it was just a small one, right? And then it retraced. I would have, have lose anything by going there, but again, when it's retracing, I don't like it. And then on the 24th, short opportunity again, right off of this red line, and boom, all the way down. And this monthly high, 45.94, beautiful number, 150 pip. And on the 24th again, Euro Aussie, look, 62.48. I even put tweeted I placed a note on the Forex Factory, my thread there, that I'll be going, looking for short below 62.48. That's where it is, 170 pip. That you can see my sell order here, and my SL move to break even, right? And then New Z USD, I don't usually trade this pair, but I saw it. I was checking it for somebody else. I like the setup, and I shorted it for a few pips. No big deal. Euro Aussie on the 25th, nice setup, right? This was my trade before. Then it went up 61.38, nice setup, and I took it for again one more time for 80 pip. Then pound yen came into play again. That was my trade. You saw it, right? And then retracement again an entry at 44.95, beautiful entry, and down we go for 100 pip again. Now on the 26th, this is Aussie yen. I was just surfing around and I saw a nice opportunity. There was a TL. I just, I think removed it, but it was a nice setup, nice at the TL coming off this red line. Shorted it for 75 pip. This one on the 26th, you can see here, it went up all the way. That was my trade, coming down, but it went up again and retraced right at around this red line, right? And shorted from there. Look, 130 pip. And similarly on the 26th, I had this at the same time, almost same time for Euro and Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. I shorted both at the same time, and this went down for 90 pip. Why did I do that? On the 26th, let me show you real quick that this was, if you see the Twitter, in my Twitter account, I tweeted here. Let me see if I can find it real quick. That is, I says, see October 26th, I said ready to short GA and EA. And after that, I shorted both of them. Similarly, I put a note there in Forex Factory, my thread. Here, my forexmagicwave.com. You see this Aussie index is bouncing from 42.94. That was the reason. If it goes up, then GA and EA will drop again, and I will be shorting both. And I did, October 26th. So these are the trades I showed an entry of 7 minutes, and then These are my final two trades. Right there, 90 pip, Euro Aussie short 90 pip, Euro Aussie, and this pound Aussie shorted here for 130 pip. These are my order, my SL, my order, my SL. So these are the trades for the week. Pretty good week, and hopefully the coming week as well is gonna be very good. So if you like what you saw, somebody told me to ask, and it works wonder, right? So I'm gonna ask that if you like the video, please press the like button. I never said that before, but now I'm going to say it. And also, if you like to know or learn more about this system, and if you want to be a part of it, then below of the video, in the description, you will find the link for my website. Just click on that link and you will be going to my website, and just go around, move around there and see if you like it. And if you do, just press this yellow subscribe button, subscribe, get the system, make your chart ready, and then for Monday you trade like that. I'm making new charts. I make the like yesterday video. If you are new, the first time you're watching it, then just watch the video before this one on my channel, and you will understand that how I do it. I made the 40-minute chart, the guiding chart, the index chart, and based on that I take all these trades, okay, and become easy. So I'm making those charts again for this week, and then I will send out to probably tomorrow early in the morning. I will send out to my subscriber, and then tomorrow I will do the webinar at 4 p.m. I do webinar twice a week, 4 p.m. Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday to cover Thursday and Friday, Sunday to cover Monday and Tuesday and early Wednesday. All right, so I give the chart, and I explain to my subscriber what to do, what not to do, which pair is going up, which pair is going down, and then you just follow, watch the charts, and wait for. Like I said, I just showed you pound Aussie, Euro Aussie. I said this is the reason they are, this index is bouncing. I'm watching GA and EA will drop, and as soon as they start dropping, I will be shorting both. So I was planning and I was waiting. This is how it is. You must know what you are doing and plan the trade, and then trade your plan. And that's the only successful. And with the system, you do not want to go in and then go negative and 40, 50, 60 pip. People call me all the time. I mean, and I get an email that I'm in 300 pip. Why? I don't understand. If you are, see, this setup requires only 25 pip SL. If once in a while I'm wrong, boom, 25 pips gone. If not, most of the time what happens is that I make an entry. The prices start to come down here a little bit, right? So I move my SL a little bit, right? Then price goes up and take me out for maybe break even or 5 pip or 10 pip. That's fine. But then again, it makes the setup, and boom, this was about to happen here as well. But luckily my SL never hit, so I was saved. Otherwise, what would happen is that this rise here, it will take me out, right? And then it will go in again. I will go in again when the short setup comes in, just like here, right? And it's a lot of places. This was a short setup I did, right? I did a short here. It came down a little bit. I moved my SL to 10 pip. It went up. It took me out. Okay, I lost 10 pip, and I was watching. Again, I found an entry. I got in, and it was a trade. Okay, so this is how it is. Not exactly here, but a different place. I'm just so this is what happens. The system is very, very nice, that even if you make a mistake, there was right there. This was a trade where I did that. Here I shorted it. It didn't work out. It went up, and then I shorted again and recover. Very easy. Okay. Actually, that was the trade. That was some 80 pip trade. I have it written here. I don't know where it go. Maybe I didn't post it here. It was here. That was just Forex Factory, so I probably... Yeah, right there. See this 80 pips so far. Okay, this is the one that I made an entry here because it was coming off of level, very nice level, 61.38. Came down. I moved my SL. Boom! It took me out, and then again was coming down, and I said, okay, I'm not gonna let it go. So I got in again. So if I lost 10 pip there, and then made 80 pip here, who cares about those 10 pips now? Okay, so this is it for now. Like I said, that please be generous and press the like button if you like it, and if you want to be a part of it, then go in the description, find the link, go to my website, check it out, and see if it is it's for you. Okay, if you are doing good already and you're making profit, if you're a profitable trader, then you don't need to do anything. Just move on, right? So this is it, and have a great weekend. I know I will do, and talk to you guys later.